In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to remove someone from your share list on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now scroll down to any post on your homepage. Tap the share button under the post to bring up your share list. Tap the name of the person you want to remove from the list and hit send. Now navigate to the chats page and open the conversation with that person. Click on the username of that person. Now click on the option of options. Here you're gonna find different options. Select the option restrict. This will limit their interaction with your account. This will also remove them from your share list without fully blocking them. Or also you can choose the option of block if you want to permanently remove them from your share list and prevent them from seeing your post or your profile at all. And that's it, you have successfully removed someone from your Instagram share list. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.